Thank you, Jeff. Another thing that I would like to ask you is permission to take photos and video of this job that I'm gonna do next Friday.
Absolutely.
Because that's my way to advertise and show people the time of service that I provide.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't have any problem. And let me ask you, how did you find me?
On my Google Maps, I just did a search
On computer, your phone?
my phone.
So it was easy to find me?
Yes, very much so. So what attracted me to your company the most
Yes.
was you got very, very good ratings. And more importantly, a division of your company, you do construction cleanup
Yes.
as well, which tells me beyond a shadow of a doubt that you can do very deep cleaning.
Yes.
So, which is what we need here.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. I really appreciate your help,
Sure.
sir.
I'm going to see if I can get the electricity turned on in that front bedroom. So, this coming